네가 없는 이슈 위를 걸어.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And today's reaction is going to be an NCT Dream listening party. I'm going to be reacting to 4 of their videos, and 2 reasons: because number 1, I wanted to, and number 2, it's because it's their anniversary. They debuted in 2016 on 25th, and yes, it's the perfect opportunity for me to check out a couple of their songs. So the songs that I've chosen, completely random selection, guys, and citizens, completely random selection. So the first song I'm going to be reacting to is Boom. The second is going to be Riding. The third is going to be We Go Up. Okay, no, let me react to We Go Up first, because We Go Up and Go, these are the 2 songs I'll react to first because they came before. They are 2018 songs. So first I'll react to Go because that came on March. Then I'll react to We Go Up, which came in August. Then I'll go in sequence, no? So then a 2019 song, which is Boom, and then last would be a 2020 song, which is Riding, and 2021 Hot Sauce. You know, I've already listened to that. And yes, let's not delay this any further. Let's begin this listening / reaction party. And congratulations to the NCT Dream subunit for completing, so many years in the industry. What, 5 years now? Yeah, 5 years. So yes. So the older songs will of course not have the subtitles, so I'm just going to vibe to the songs. Let's begin with Go. I'll put the timestamps for each song reaction so you can watch it at one go, or you can go to your favorite song reaction. We'll begin with Go. All right. Okay.
Change your ways.
다 똑같은 얘기 I know 시들어버린
This music is so cool.
눈빛 From you
They look so different.
아무 생각 없이도 쓸리듯이 살았다는 건 네 자신에게 모는 날 또 다른 깊은 후회인 걸 We're so young, we're so freaky 우리들은 둘이
Dude, this music!
We've been screaming go, go, go We've been screaming go, go, go
I'm sorry, Jisung is looking like a baby here. He's still a baby, but you know what I mean. Okay, I'm vibing to the music.
Yep.
He's adorable.
All day 괜히 선택이면 결과도 네가 책임져야지 그럴 자신은 없어서
This music is amazing.
피할 순 없어 사는 걸
어린 반응의 눈빛.
I know they're trying to be bad boys and all of that because I don't know the meaning of the song. But they look so cute. I don't know, are they looking like cute bachas? That's what I feel. I know they're trying to be bad boys and all, but I'm just saying they look adorable. They look adorable. You know this beat, this music, what it's reminding me of? If you have, I don't know if you've watched Step Up 2, that movie, Step Up 2, the ending dance sequence, that song, I forget the name of that song, the beat, the vibe of that song and this song is very, very similar. When they dance in the rain, that's just what I feel. I'm getting reminded of that song when I'm listening to this. This music.
절망을 하려는지
adorable and cute.
Screaming go, go, go. Rip screaming go,
Ooh.
don't not pain, don't not pain, don't not son. This one, 아무도 나를 이해 못하면 꿈이다 나를 이해시켜.
I really like mouse rapping too.
믿고 다른 것이 eyes closed. 나만의 동, 내 아냐 같은 꿈꾸는 춤을 샤베. 어디 가는지도 참 모르.
I'm looking at this video and I'm thinking the last NCT Dream video that I reacted to, Hello Future. So different. They're looking such good boys.
I'm gonna make it right. Run, run, run. So young, we're so freaking. 우리들은 틀을 벗어나 진짜.
This song is a vibe.
We've been screaming go, go, go. We've been screaming go, go, go. 방황의 그들을 불태우고 우린 열정에 완벽히 미쳐가. We've been screaming go, go, go. We've been screaming go, go, go. Go.
Nice. Nice. So I was saying in Hello Future, they are looking like the video is so colorful and them dancing like so cutely and nice, and them looking like such good boys. Here they're trying to look bad boys, but they're looking adorable. They're looking adorable. And this song, this music, the song is such a vibe. Like it's like it'll put you in a mood where you really wanna just jam to it and just think nothing. Like you wanna keep your mind blank and just vibe to the song. That's why even if you don't know the lyrics of the song, the meaning, which I'm thinking it's looking at the concept, I'm thinking it's more like a bad boy kind of song. And they're saying keep screaming, go, go, go. So it probably is in that line. But otherwise, with the beat and the music, the beat produced for this particular song, it's really like it's a very dancey beat where you'll just vibe to the song. You'll think nothing and just vibe and enjoy to the song. The song is actually meant for dancing and enjoyment. That's what I feel. And I totally, like, if you have watched Step Up 2, if you have also not watched it, search the Step Up 2 Final Dancing, where both the leads, they dance in the rain. It's just that the vibe of that beat, the beat used there and this beat, it's just so similar. That's why I got reminded of that song. So yes, that was Go. Very, very nice, very raw. It's such a contrast from Hello Future and Hot Sauce. If I just take Hot Sauce also as an example, where it's just so colorful and all, and this is more rooted and raw, which I like. I really enjoy these kind of videos also, where you see a lot of different kinds of footage where the camera is just shaking completely and it's just them moving around here and there, because it makes it look like a very real kind of footage where somebody like you and me would have shot this kind of video. So I really enjoy these kind of videos as well, the camera work on such videos. And I don't know what the lyrics are, but I'm sure that's how the concept of this thing works. So yes, that was the reaction for Go. And now the next song is We Go Up. Ye to go up, usne bola no go, we go up, we don't go anywhere else, we go up. And this also does not have the subtitles, so once again, I'm just going to vibe to the song and enjoy it. I really enjoyed Go. Very, very interesting song. Okay, here we go. We go up. Here we go up. NCT Dream. He's adorable. I really like him. He's so cute.
Too slow, too fast, no control.
See, now this is a typical K-pop song. This is completely like, this is what I'm used to. This is what I know. This is familiar to me. Okay.
Too slow, too fast, no control.
The colors that they use, the sets. I really enjoy his rapping.
Yeah, I know. 멀게 보이던 네가 선명해. 결국 rendezvous.
Somehow I feel that Jisung is the more he tries to look the bad boyish cool dude, the more cuter he starts looking. That's what I feel.
좀 더 멀리 날아보
is this like a motivational song? I really like the chorus where the beat completely changed. Oh, this was the way it started and the way it just like changed in the chorus. I like this transition.
기억들로 날 아름답게
I like this pre-chorus also.
이번 트랙을 끝내자 Time stage we go we go we go
Nice.
we go we go we go we go 빛들 위에서
See?
빙겨봤지만
So different.
달콤한 풍선껌 이젠 더 씹어내 시간 가도 식지 않을 걸 뭐만 사려 Don't play
I'm liking the camera work here also. The way it's changing the frame from the wider frame to the smaller frame, the transition that is happening, I like that also.
We don't run out 밤과 낮의 차이 상관없이 stay alive
Look, time fly, we fly, 변화와 timing, 순식간 달라 every day.
And the pre-chorus will come now.
잊지 않을 수 있는 이유
Not bad. I like this.
바라보는 이 두 눈
But I think the chorus is my favorite.
자유롭게 이번 트랙을
Oh,
끝내자
did you see that transition? That was nice. That was nice with the from the light blue set to the red set. So that was nice. I like this switch. Nice.
We go. We go.
Wow.
We go. We go.
Okay, the chorus is my favorite.
We go. We go. 끝은 없어. 지켜봐줘. 더 높이 천천히 올라가. 그 땅 위에서 너에게 외쳐. I need you right here. 좀 더 멀리 날아보려고 해.
Mark is such a good dancer.
기억들로 날 아름답게 해. 이번 트랙을 끝
This video has some of the best shots, huh? Really, I really love the MV.
Time stage, we go, we go,
This is my favorite part. It's so good.
we go, and we go, and we go, we go, we go,
Wow.
we go.
Really like this. This looks like a motivational song to me, a self-motivating or whatever. But that's what I feel. That's what I feel. Oh wow, I really enjoyed this song, especially the way the transition was happening beat to beat. It was sounding very different, and yet I think it was very cohesive for me. Usually I get a little taken aback when there is a sudden beat change, but in this song's case I really liked the way it was arranged. It was sounding different, like the pre-chorus sounded the verse sounds different, then the pre-chorus comes in, it sounds different, then the chorus also completely sounds different. So there are three sects to the song, in the first verse also and even the second verse, and then you have the bridge and the final chorus. But the way this was arranged, I like that. There's a sense of cohesiveness also in the song, which makes it very nice and nice to listen to, and the transitions are pretty smooth. And this MV has some of the best camera shots, which I liked, especially the slow motion shots where the beach shot, which I liked a lot, whatever was shot in the beach. Then even that area where they were sort of playing with the water, the hose pipe. So that was also nice. And the sets, I like the red set, the sets where they're like wearing the red costume. I really like that also. So this MV was a lot of things were happening. There were so many different shots being used, which I loved, which I absolutely loved. A lot of great use of colors which went. It's like the way this song was arranged, the MV was also pretty like different. The camera angles were so different. The wide shot, the slow shots, everything was just beautiful. I think overall I really enjoyed this song, especially the chorus. But beat-wise, the first song, Go, that was amazing. Somehow I feel Now, because I have not really reacted to like subunit because it's just NCT 127. That NCT 127 I have listened to, and NCT Dream. In fact, I think for me, the kind of music that Dream has, I think I vibe more to the Dream songs. That's what I feel right now at this moment. Once I will look into the other groups like Wavy and stuff like that, because I feel that every group here, it's just because it's NCT, still I think every group has a distinct kind of sound. That's what I feel. Where I feel that NCT 127 has a lot of punch in their songs, and NCT Dream, in fact, I feel is more varied in terms of their discography, in terms of like how it sounds. I don't know, just let me know wherever you feel that okay, no, that's not the case, but this is what my opinion is with my limited listening of NCT. So I feel like Dream is like something that is sort of like my kind of music that I will listen to more and more. Okay, we will move on to the third song, which came in 2020, which is called Riding, and this of course has the subtitles. Okay, here we go. Ooh, this looks like a powerful song. Look at the camera work over here. It's just the set is beautiful, and the red and the police van. Oh, okay. I'm ready. I am ready. I am ready. He's adorable. He's adorable. I'm sorry, he's just too adorable. Every time my eyes just keep going to him.
경계를 break out 어디든지 겨눠봐 이젠 우리가 방아쇠 당겨 잘 봐
Set is beautiful.
No more breaks 모두 다 sit back 이젠 마주해 날 향한
He's
square
adorable, man.
기다림의 끝에 불을 붙여 시동하는 순간 it's game over 턱턱 어디 가도 턱턱 네 길을 타
He's just so cute, man. I always like the more, like I said before, the more he tries to, you know, get into the bad boy image, the cuter he looks for me. At least in my eyes. When I crank up the engine, it's game over. Okay.
시동하는 순간 it's game over 턱턱 어디 가도 턱턱 네 길을 닦을 거길 속해 지저지는 듯한 마찰은 일어난 손을 넘어서 시간을 자유롭게
Oh, vocals! I will run that back again. It sounds amazing. It sounds amazing.
방아쇠 당겨 잘 봐 We're back no more breaks 모두 다 sit back
See, this is what I mean. The variety in the songs.
기다림의 끝에 불을 붙여 시동하는 순간 it's game over 턱턱 어디 가도 턱턱
I can totally make out the difference in his voice because his voice kept getting deeper and deeper as he grew in age. So here, like from the previous two songs, here I can actually like understand a huge difference. Like his voice is he's sounding like so different because of course his voice got deeper. It's a clear distinction. The pre-chorus of the song is amazing. Oh! Yes! Okay, I really like this song.
경계를 break out 어디든지 겨눠봐 이젠 우리가 방아쇠 당겨 잘 봐
We know what engine they are talking about. We all know it. Huh? We all know it. We all know it. Whip fast without hesitation. I'm sorry. The NCT Dream lyrics are just so, you know, dirty that I like. Look at this line. Whip fast without hesitation. Turn the steering wheel more. We all know what they're talking about, huh? Let's not, nobody's innocent here. Nobody's innocent here.
Best 거침없이 핸들 더 꺾어 붕 뜨는 몸은 마치 like a roller coaster 터질 듯 액셀을 밟아 위아래 control yeah yeah We will stop
I'm sorry. The metaphorical use of the lyrics is just, guys, we know what you're saying. We ladies know what you're saying.
붕 뜨는 몸은 마치 like a roller coaster 터질 듯 액셀을 밟아 위아래 control yeah
Oh, nice.
We will stop the race until it's over yeah Let's go Talk 어떤 말도 talk 이 순간 속 우리를 설명 못해 가장 눈부시는 속도 연락다 모두 너의 그 장면 속으로 향해 몇 번이고 함께
Oh my god, this pre-chorus is awesome.
Burn up the fire 다시 내일이 올 때까지 심장 속 터질 듯한 에너지 Riding and rolling 끝까지 너를 던져 reload Riding and rolling 기록은 break out 매번 갈아치워가 이젠 세상에 우린 서울여 잘 봐 Riding and rolling up with it Riding and rolling up with it
Nice vibes.
새롭게 날 채워 다시 새롭게 날 채워 다시 눈앞에 펼쳐진 세상을 봐
Wow.
꿈꿔왔던 story 더는 꿈이 아니야 새롭게 뜬 태양을 맞춰봐 Flying down the road Let's roll 너로 위로 가득한 붉은 불빛들은 날 멈춰 있으라지만 Wow 누가 들이를 향해 가지 않아 이젠 쓰지 말래 나만의 새로운 길을 만들어 벌써
Wow.
내 심장 속 터질 듯한 에너지 Riding and rolling 끝까지 나를 던져 reloading Riding and rolling
I completely vibe to Dream like a lot more than 1 to 7. That's just my preference because I don't know, like I said, the NCT Dream songs have such different variety. Like this song is so different from the previous two I listened to, or even like Hot Sauce or Hello Future. Like, I don't know, but their vibe is where my vibe is. So I get it. Like we're vibing in the same frequency. I loved this bridge. I love the chorus. The choreography is amazing. The entire MV looks stunning. Love it.
break out 매번 갈아치워가 이젠 세상에 우리 서울 여자 Riding and rolling up with it Riding and rolling up with it 지금 우린 running Yeah 새롭게 날 채워 다시 새롭게 날 채워 다시
What I noticed is that this is a 2020 song, and I have not seen the debut song. But from Go, and if you compare Riding, you can just see the change in the body language. They have more confidence. The confidence of being in front of the camera is much more. Like the way they're moving, the choreography is even more neat. If you compare it with Go, the choreography has gotten so much better. Their movements are much defined and neat. Their vocals are shining. The rap, the vocals, everything. Like I can just see a huge improvement in 2 years only. I don't know how the 2016 songs are, but I am just saying, like, I love it. Like the vocals have really, for me, I think the biggest thing was the vocals and the confidence, the way they are like in front of the camera, the body confidence that they had. I love it. I can just see the difference. I can see the improvement. I can see the difference. So yes, I really enjoyed the song. This I'm adding to my playlist, Riding. This I'm definitely adding to my playlist. Oh wow. And now the last song, okay, I actually did ulta. I should have reacted to Boom first because this is 2019 song. But no problem, now I'm going to react to Boom, and this also has the subtitles. Okay. I really liked Riding. I'm going to add that to my playlist for sure. Let's react to Boom. See? Wow. Oh, I like the set.
숨소리조차도
음악 같은 stage 나의 땀방울은 내겐 heavy rain
언제나 hot and shine 무대 위에서 live
네 눈 이맘보다 먼저 반응해
지금 우린 과도한 열기로 넘쳐
This is why I gravitated more towards NCT Dream song because every song has a very different feel for me.
편히 앉아
I like-
놀아줄 시간은 없어
과정을 즐겨 나와 같이 걷다
Here also his voice is very deep.
이렇게 원하고 또 원해 Too late we rolling
난 너의 꿈
So the transition happened between 18 19 I'm guessing because in 2018 songs Jisung is sounding like normal in the sense he's sounding different like his pitch goes with his face but in these two it doesn't.
네가 꿈에 닿는 통로가 된 너의 꿈을 손에 쥐어줄 수 있어 순수한 표정으로 춤을 추던 아인 이제 웃으면서 이들에게
This video is stunning.
나를 던지고 너를 깨우고 Show me what you got 결과는 crazy 가슴이 뛰는 대로 뛰어봐 right now
내게 맞는 단어 난 되고 싶어 모든 sorry yeah 빌어 두려움을
I'm loving
지워
this.
지금 반대로 설렌 심장 시속 100km
난 모든 절망들의 VIP 기다린 정도
Oof,
기다리게
this beat is
하지.
amazing.
기억해 어디서도 나의 빛 너갈걸 네 맘은
아이스크림
지금 우린 그 꿈을 이뤄낸 player 내 안에 난 날 향한 찬사를 외쳐 1분 1초가 느끼는 전율 danger
더 자극적인 떨림을 나 원해 우리 더 높이 be rolling
난 너의 꿈이자 꿈을
See, you guys have to understand I have great affinity towards deeper voices if you guys already don't know. Dude, I love this.
너의 꿈을 손에 쥐어줄 수 있어 순수한 표정으로 춤을 추던 아인 이제 웃으면서
But by the way, my question is, where is Mark in this? Why is he not here? Huh? Why is he not here?
나를 던지고 너를 깨우고 Show me what you got 결과는 crazy 가슴이 뛰는 대로 뛰어봐 right now 이토록 확신에 찬 눈빛 너도 알아
Wow.
전부 감당할 수 있어 우린 내 꿈은 현실이 됐고 이제 나 자유롭게 fly
이제 꿈에 닿는 통로가 된 너의 꿈을 손에 쥐어줄 수 있어
순수한 목소리로 노래하는 아이 이제 웃으면서 이들에게 널 이끌어 나를 던지고 너를 깨우고 Show me what you got 결과는 crazy 가슴이 뛰는 대로 뛰어봐 right now
I love it. I loved it. I'm adding this also to my playlist. Woo! Yes. This was amazing. I'm still clapping, I know, because this was amazing. Okay. 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 Wow. I am sorry. Okay, let me stop this. First, Okay, so that was the reaction for NCT Dream songs. Though, let me know why Mark was not there in the later songs. Because that's I thought I'll ask in the end. But do let me know like why is he not there in 19 and 20? Because I don't know. You have to tell me. So yes, that was the reaction, guys. I loved all the 4 songs. Though for me, I think Riding and Boom was just like those are the songs that I'm definitely adding to my playlist. I loved like the Boom Boom chorus part is just so cool, and in Boom also the vocals were so good. The vocals, this video was so beautiful to look at. The choreography, I think Riding and Boom have the best choreography out of all the 4. I think their choreography, even We Go Up had good choreography, but I think Riding and Boom, and the way Boom ended with that thang ekdam end mein, and then they pose in their respective this thing, that was awesome. Wow, I'm so happy. Like, I really like NCT Dream. I really like NCT Dream songs because I think when I'd listened to Hello Future, I said like, this is so different. Like Hot Sauce, Hello Future, so different than then I did their intro video and all of that. Somehow I just don't know. वो एक होता है ना, एक intuition, the gut thing where you just get attracted towards something involuntarily. And for me, I think Dream was the group where I said that okay, this is more. This set of group is where I am gravitating more towards. So it could be a reason because you know, I listen to Hot Sauce a lot. I've watched Hot Sauce MV a lot. So, you know, the more you see something, the more you get attracted to that thing. So I think I've listened to the Dream song more than the NCT 127 song. Like Kick It and all I listen to, but I think Hot Sauce is the song that I keep going back to again and again and again and again. That is a song that I've watched multiple times. So I think that is why I gravitate towards Dream more. It could change because there are many subunits that are still left. I have to react to Wavy and all of that. So I'm of course looking forward to react to all of the subunits and getting to know all the groups properly. But I enjoyed this thoroughly. Like Riding and Boom were just absolutely fantastic to listen to watch also. I'm so happy because I think it also makes a difference when you watch it with the subtitles because you are understanding the meaning of the lyrics. So yes, that was the reaction, guys. Please do let me know what are your favorite NCT Dream songs. What's your favorite pick? Something that you want me to react to of NCT Dream in the future videos. I would love to read them in the comments. And that concludes the listening and the reaction party for NCT Dream. Congratulations to them on their anniversary. I hope we get many more years of their music in the future. So yes, I'm looking forward to it. I'm really looking forward to my NCT journey in the future, and I know NCT Hollywood is also about to come up, though it has already started facing a lot of criticism, but I'm going to reserve the judgment for the group when it debuts, because it's the song that matters to me. It's the vibe of the group, it's the song, it's the music that at the end of the day matters to me. For any K-pop group, it's at the end of the day, the most important thing for me is their music. If I just don't vibe to their music, I'm not gonna be invested in them as artists also. So that was my reaction for today, and I hope you enjoyed this and I've come till the end of the video, and I'll see you soon now on my next video. Bye bye.